Okay, y'all. Excuse the mess in my house. I'm working on it. Here's the microwave. The Black & Decker. It's got a little... Let me turn my light on. Me and my kids are having to learn. They have to unlock it sometimes. So, yeah, I actually had a Black & Decker before I got this one, so... It's a good little microwave. It works and everything. I mean... See, sometimes it'll let you open it and then sometimes it won't. Like, you have to unlock it. That's what it looks like, though. Y'all see in it? It's just a regular old microwave. I mean, that's about the size of it. It's not really that big. I mean, I could have definitely got a bigger microwave, I guess. But for the price, it works, and you know, it's like name brand, so.
Oh my god, this is discredible. But this is what it looks like. It works really great, super easy to clean, which I really appreciate, and yeah, love it and would highly recommend.
And you cannot disengage that.